Alright guys, so how I always said every adjustment, we're going to scan the body. We're going to go from that cervical spine, checking the leg length, and we're going to check the symmetry from the right side of the body, comparing it to the left side of the body. Okay? So when you bring the feet together, to be honest, it's not that bad. Hips are level, which is a good thing. Okay, so I'm going to start up top here. I'm just going to palpate going down. Let me know if you feel any pain or tenderness, okay? Now I know as you're telling me you do get migraines, but we kind of came up with drinking absolutely no water.